Hi, I am Muna Pokhrel, representing Microsoft Student Partner 2013 from Nepal. I am here trying to find the solution for the crisis of safe drinking water in Kathmandu, the capital of Nepal. The estimated population of Kathmandu Valley is 3.4 million, which is doubling in every 3 years, due to huge migration rate from villages and all over the country in Kathmandu. Most of the people in Kathmandu do not rely on the water supply coming from pipes into households. Since the pipes run along with parallel in sewage pipes, the pipes are damaged and the contents mix up, which brings foul smell and dirty water into the households. It results in many health problems, because of which people of Kathmandu Valley do not use this water for drinking purpose. As a result, most of the people in Kathmandu Valley end up in purchasing drinking water in 1 liter bottle or 20 liter jar for home or commercial purpose. The current requirement of Kathmandu Valley for water supply is 320 million liters per day, but Kathmandu Upadhyaka water supply has been only able to supply 160 million liters of water per day. The data shows there is still a deficit of 78.5% in dry season and 63% in wet season. Most of the plastic bottles are thrown away after use. This results in huge environment problem as the plastic bottles are not biodegradable. Nepal doesn't yet have a culture of vending machines and coins are not in high circulation. Nepal also experiences a huge power crisis, resulting in power outage of as high as 16 hours a day in winter and as low as 6 hours a day in summer. Smartphone apps will be created to identify the nearest kiosk and provide direction for the user to go to the kiosk. To address these problems, we are proposing a solution for the distribution of safe drinking water through kiosks in different parts of the cities. The kiosk will be solar powered and even will work when there will be no electricity. Traditionally, Kathmandu Valley used to have community water sprouts known as Sundara. Sun in Nepali means gold. Gold water is considered to be the purest water, and sun in English clearly shows that the kiosks are powered by solar. This is the reason why we have named our project as Sundara, which can also be pronounced as Sundara. The kiosk will have LED panel to display different advertisements that will change according to the age, gender and ethnicity of user. This will be identified by the image captured by camera. With the use of Kinect, voice commands can also be understood besides the use of touch interface. Microsoft Kinect for Windows can be utilized as natural user interface so that the kiosk can understand body and hand gestures of user. Multiple language options can also be displayed looking at the diversity of Kathmandu Valley's population. The kiosk will dispense water either hot, chilled or at room temperature so that the user can refill their reusable water vessels or sippers. This will encourage the users for reduce, reuse and recycle. Most importantly, the user can pay for the water they want from a specific kiosk through an SMS from their mobile phone. We truly believe in developing such a technology kiosk for the distribution of safe and tasted drinking water. It will help to solve the major crisis of Kathmandu Valley, namely energy crisis and drinking water.